Our customers, when they say they want to go green, they want to make their operations more green, are typically talking about the products that they purchase. Oftentimes in North America, that starts with eco labels, so things like Green Seal, Eco Logo, and they want to use products that are more preferable from that perspective. So a lot of times it starts there. Then we really move them along the line to look at operational efficiency. How can we reduce waste in their operations? How can we save water? How can we conserve energy? And the great thing about those elements are that not only is it good for the planet, but it's also going to reduce their costs overall. So the real interesting thing that we find is that when we take customers on this journey of going green, that we find that it's not only good for people on the planet, but it's also going to save them money in the long run. The Diversey perspective on it, it's part of our sustainability initiative. So sustainability includes the environmental as well as social and governance. And green for us is the environmental piece. It's what are we doing within our own operations? What are we doing, especially with our products, and helping our customers conserve energy, prevent waste, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, save water, move to solutions that are safer, have greener chemistry, and are better all around for people on the planet.